नमस्कार, मैं हूं मीनाक्षी चौधरी, आपकी होस्ट। आज हम बात करेंगे हर्सुटिज्म के बारे में। इस बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए आज हमारे साथ हैं पंजाब के फेमस डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर सतीश कुमार नौरिया। चलिए इनसे जानते हैं आगे।
Hello friends, I am Dr. Satish Noria, consultant dermatologist at Blossom Skin Hair Laser Clinic, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I will discuss on a very important topic of unwanted hair, अनचाहे बाल। इसको मेडिकली हम हिर्सुटिज्म कहते हैं। I will share with you my experiences about hirsutism with you, treatment and its management.
Sir, is it normal to have hair on female face?
Yes, it is very normal in 10 to 15% of the cases. Hair are very thin, translucent, fine and not pigmented. इसको हम villous hair बोलते हैं। These hairs are very important to regulate the temperature of the body. These days, lot of females they come to our clinic to inquire about this problem because they are much worried about the things.
The main cause क्या है इस चीज?
Main cause is androgen level in the body, जिसको मेल हार्मोन भी कहते हैं। This hormone is present in both male and female. In male, it is in the larger amount, and female, it is in the lower amount. If there is overproduction of the androgen in the body, then hair becomes very thick, coarse, pigmented, and called as terminal hair, जिसको हम हर्सुटिज्म भी कहते हैं।
सोर्स क्या है एंड्रोजन हार्मोन का
In female, the androgen main source is ovaries and adrenal glands. Ovary में we can say PCOD, polycystic ovarian disease, which is very common in 70 to 80% of the cases. It is hormonal disorder causing enlarged ovaries with multiple small cystic immature on the outer edge of the ovaries, detected by ultrasonography.
सर, अभी आपने पीसीओडी के बारे में बताया। मैंने पीसीओएस के बारे में भी सुना है। अब पीसीओएस क्या है और हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट?
PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome. It's along with the PCOD when we see the other symptoms like irregular periods, oily skin, acne, seborrhea, female pattern hair loss, infertility, dark patches in the folds and crease, increased muscle mass and voice changes, obesity, acanthosis nigricans. Then we think of PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome.
So what are the other important causes of androgen?
Yes, adrenal cause, CAH is there, chronic adrenal hyperplasia, which is seen in the childhood, and production of androgen is increased, and basically it is inherited. Cushing syndrome, increased level of cortisol syndrome, and the patient is on the steroid therapies. Adrenal tumor, when there is sudden increase in the hirsutism, we think of the adrenal tumor also, which is detected by the CT scan.
So what are the other causes of hirsutism?
Obesity is another main cause, where there is a resistance, insulin resistance in the body, resulting in increased androgen level. Diabetes mellitus, thyroid disorders, genetically also, certain drugs they can cause, anabolic steroids, minoxidil, cyclosporin, phenytoin, danazol, and even the menopause.
सर क्या मेनोपॉज में भी फेशियल हेयर आते हैं?
Yes, it is very important cause for the hirsutism. When there is menopause, पीरियड बंद हो जाते हैं, उसमें एस्ट्रोजन लेवल ऑफ द बॉडी डिक्रीज हो जाते हैं और एंड्रोजन लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं, एंड डेफिनेटली दे गिव द हिर्सुटिज्म अनवांटेड हेयर.
Sir, how do you investigate on this matter when females come to your clinic?
Yes, we do the blood test. इंसुलिन लेवल देखते हैं, HbA1c, ब्लड शुगर लेवल, थायराइड प्रोफाइल, टोटल टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल, इन सम केसेस कॉर्टिसोल लेवल, प्रोलैक्टिन आल्सो, DHT लेवल देखते हैं. But second, we advise the patient to go for ultrasonography to see the immature cystic lesion in the ovary.
Sir, what are the treatments available at your clinic for this hirsutism, and what are the medical treatments and cosmetic treatments which you can do?
Yes, medical treatment is available, cosmetic also is available. In medical, we advise all patients to have a healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, proper sleep, regular exercise, and manage stress level. Then medicines, drugs like metformin and pio, which are insulin sensitizer, oral contraceptive pills containing CPA, cyproterone acetate, androgen blockers, spironolactone, finasteride, glutamate. Even some creams are available in the market. Flornithine, 13.9%. They apply twice a day. These creams lower the anagen phase, but they have got temporary effect. No, nothing else. कुछ पेशेंट हमारे पास क्लिनिक में आते हैं, they are having scars on the face. When we take the history, उनसे हमें पता चलता है we are getting either plucking done, waxing, shaving, bleaching, electrolysis. So these are side effects of the all to give scars on the face. We advise the patient to go for the laser therapy and the medical therapy in combination.
So what is laser and is it available at your clinic?
Yes, it's available in our clinic. Laser define emission radiation. Diode laser we have with wavelength of around 800 nanometer. Invisible infrared range is the best option for laser hair removal. Laser light, it's a focused beam of light that is absorbed by a pigment melanin, which is present in the stem cells of the hair follicle, in bulb or root of the hair follicle. When this light is converted into heat, it damages the hair roots and having a permanent effect for preventing the future growth of the hair. It is super hair reduction, painless and very safe with no side effects. Usually we do 10 to 12 sitting at an interval of 1 month to 1.5 months. So every sitting hair become thin and less pigmented.
तो फिर एट द एंडिंग आप एडवाइस क्या करना चाहेंगे पेशेंट्स को अबाउट हिर्सुटिज्म?
Patient must consult a qualified and experienced dermatologist while undergoing this laser hair treatment. So these days we combine laser treatment with medical treatment. So this is my advice for all patients, not to go on beauty parlor where things are not properly done and they have side effects. Side effects से बचने के लिए you want to go to a qualified dermatologist. This is my advice to all patients.
अब मैं मीनाक्षी चौधरी आपसे विदा लूंगी। जाते जाते मैं डॉक्टर सतीश कुमार मौर्य को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगी for giving us so much valuable information on hirsutism and how to prevent it and what are the treatments you need to know for hirsutism. Thank you, sir.